Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Welcome. In the industrial world here in Saudi Arabia, things move fast, and with that speed, safety isn't just a box to tick. It's everything. It's the very foundation of our success. So today, let's talk about a critical solution designed to protect your most valuable asset of all, your team.
So, let me just start by asking you this. Really think about it for a second. What is the true cost of one hand injury? I can tell you right now, it's not just the immediate incident. No, the real cost is a massive ripple effect that can spread through your entire operation.
Look, we all know the environments we work in. Whether it's oil and gas or heavy construction, our people are in high-stakes situations day in and day out. And that risk of a serious hand or finger injury, especially during jobs like hammering or flogging, well, it's always there. And the consequences can be absolutely devastating.
And this is what I mean by that ripple effect. An injury means your operations stop, right? That's immediate downtime. But then it becomes a lost time incident, which goes on your safety record. You've got expensive medical bills, and suddenly a multi-million rial project is falling behind schedule. It's a chain reaction, a domino effect that no manager ever wants to deal with.
And here's the kicker. You identify this risk, you find a solution, but then you have to wait weeks for a shipment to arrive from overseas? That's just not an option. Every single day you're waiting for that tool is another day your crew is exposed. That's a huge gap in your safety protocol, and it needs a local, right-now solution.
So, this brings us to the answer, the finger saver. Now, I want to be clear, this is not just another gadget you throw in the toolbox. This is a purpose-built, engineered piece of safety equipment. It's designed for one specific reason, to get rid of that hand injury risk right at the source.
And that brings me to a really important term, engineering control. It's essential we understand this. Unlike, say, a pair of gloves, an engineering control doesn't just protect you from the hazard. It's designed to physically remove the hazard from the situation entirely. It's a fundamentally better, more proactive way to approach safety.
And this, right here, shows you the difference. Plain and simple. Impact gloves, they're important, for sure, but they are your absolute last line of defense. They might lessen a small knock, but let's be honest. They offer next to zero protection from a direct hit. The finger saver, on the other hand, it literally takes the hand out of the danger zone. It makes the injury impossible in the first place. Now, for all my fellow engineers and the procurement managers watching, the technical details really speak for themselves. We're talking about a high-impact plastic that is designed not to splinter. It's also non-sparking, which, as you know, is absolutely critical in hazardous environments like the oil and gas sector. On top of that, it even dampens vibration, which helps reduce fatigue and keeps your team focused.
And of course, we know one size never fits all. That's why we make sure to stock 3 different sizes. The compact one is perfect for when you're working in really tight, confined spaces. The standard size, that's your all-around workhorse for most jobs. And then the large version gives you the absolute maximum safety distance, which is ideal for those really heavy-duty operations.
Taib, so at this point you might be thinking, okay, I can get this tool from a few different suppliers. And you're right. Yani, the product itself is out there. But, and this is probably the most important part of our whole conversation, you get the complete solution and the long-term peace of mind that comes with it, only from us here at AskA Solution.
So why should you partner with us? Well, it's simple. We're offering you so much more than just a product in a box. We are your approved partner, right here in the kingdom. We guarantee you top quality at a competitive price. We deliver anywhere in Saudi Arabia. We become your safety partner, not just a vendor, and we provide real, ongoing local support.
And all of this, it comes down to trust. See, as an Aramco-approved supplier and an ISO-certified company, we've proven that we meet the absolute highest standards for quality and safety you can find in the kingdom. So when you work with us, you know you're working with a partner that has been vetted at the very top level of Saudi industry. And that local presence really matters. Why? Because when you need a critical safety tool, you need it right away. With our inventory ready to go, we can get these tools out to your site fast, whether you're in Dammam, Jubail, Riyadh, Jeddah, you name it. That whole problem of waiting on overseas shipments, it's gone.
And I really want to be clear about this. We don't just drop off a box and say good luck. That's not a partnership. Our team of safety specialists is here to give you expert advice. We'll actually help you integrate the finger saver into your safety protocols, into your toolbox talks, to make sure it's being used effectively. We want you to get the maximum return on your safety investment.
So as we wrap up here, the message is pretty straightforward. Don't just look for a product. You need to look for a comprehensive solution, one that actually strengthens your entire safety program and supports your operations right here in the Kingdom.
If you only take one thing away from this, please let it be this. Anyone can sell you a product, but an Aramco-approved partner like us, we invest in your safety, and we invest in your success. That right there is the AskA Solution difference.
Shukran, thank you so much for your time today. When you're ready to really upgrade your worksite safety, choose the Finger Saver tool that comes with the unmatched local engineering, the fast delivery, and the dedicated safety support that only AskA Solution provides.
We truly look forward to helping your operations succeed. Please reach out to our team today. We'd be happy to set up a technical consultation to talk about your specific needs. Just send us an email at sales@askasolution.com, or you can find more information on our website.